With his ability to climb blocks and pounce far distances, being a furry climbing has never been easier. The Yamini kit has 3 abilities, with the first being able to pounce. Pressing your kit primary will launch you around 11 blocks away, helping you escape fights and run away easier. He has a slightly farther dash than Yuzi, but has an 8-second cooldown for the pounce ability. Yamini can also climb blocks, letting you get to the high ground without wasting any blocks. You will slowly glide down when not moving though. The third ability is a passive where you have 50% less fall damage. This is very overpowered and makes it easy to jump from height limit and survive. If you pounce onto a wall, it makes you instantly climb, where just walking into one makes you wait a second before climbing. Let me know if Yamini is good in the comments, and like and subscribe for more. I have some other kit reviews, so go watch them.